Welcome. In this video, we're tackling a common problem for 2018 Tesla Model S owners, stuck door handles. These handles, designed to auto-present when unlocked, often fail due to mechanical issues. This issue has plagued owners for years, leading to the need for various fixes. We'll cover the causes, fixes, and whether a DIY approach is right for you. Let's break down how the auto-present door handle system in the 2018 Tesla Model S works. This innovative mechanism automatically extends the flush-mounted handle when you unlock the vehicle. The system relies on three key components that work together seamlessly. The Microswitch detects when you pull on the handle and signals the latch to release. The latch assembly mechanically secures the door, holding it firmly in place until the Microswitch triggers release. Finally, the actuator motor extends and retracts the handle automatically, providing the smooth auto-present functionality. Here's a closer look at the disassembled actuator components, showing the gears, switch, and electric motor that make this system function. The wiring diagram illustrates how these components connect to the vehicle's electrical system and ECU control box for proper operation. A stuck handle typically results from microswitch failure due to moisture ingress, dirt buildup, or general wear after 50,000 to 100,000 miles of use. This prevents the proper electrical signal from reaching the latch. Before diving into repairs, proper diagnosis is essential to identify whether the issue lies with the microswitch or the latch assembly. Start with a simple continuity test using a multimeter. The microswitch should show 5 to 10 ohms of resistance when pressed. If the microswitch doesn't register the correct resistance, it's likely faulty and needs replacement. Next, listen for the actuator motor when attempting to open the door. If you don't hear it engaging, the problem may be with the latch or wiring system. This targeted diagnosis helps you determine the exact component that needs attention, saving time and ensuring the correct repair approach. When deciding between DIY repair and professional service for your 2018 Tesla Model S door handle, consider your comfort level with tools and willingness to take on some risk. DIY repairs have become popular with success rates around 80 to 90%, allowing you to save money while gaining hands-on experience. However, there's a chance of improper installation that could lead to further issues. Professional servicing at Tesla centers provides peace of mind, ensuring the job is done correctly and preserving your warranty, though it costs more. Third-party repair kits are easily available from AutoZone and Tesla-approved suppliers, typically ranging from $50 to $150 for the necessary parts like microswitches and latches. Begin by gathering your tools: T30 Torx screwdriver, plastic trim tools, diagnostic scanner, isopropyl alcohol, silicone grease, and the replacement microswitch part number 125087-00A. For safety, ensure the vehicle is off and battery disconnected to avoid airbag risks. With the door panel removed, locate the wiring harnesses connected to the door electronics. Gently press the red release tab on each connector and pull to disconnect. Be careful not to pull on the wires directly. Now access the handle module, which houses the microswitch and latch mechanism. Look for it mounted behind the door panel. Remove the T30 Torx mounting screws to free the module. Before replacing, diagnose the microswitch. Use a multimeter to test continuity. The switch should close the circuit at 5 to 10 ohms when pressed. If it doesn't respond or shows infinite resistance, it's faulty and needs replacement. Inspect for corrosion on electrical contacts and metal parts. Clean thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol using a soft cloth. Allow components to dry completely before proceeding to avoid short circuits. Remove the faulty microswitch by disconnecting its wires and unclipping it from the module. Install the replacement part number 1025087-00A, ensuring wires are connected correctly and the switch is securely seated. Apply a small amount of silicone grease to any moving mechanical parts to prevent future sticking. Reassemble the handle module, reconnect all wiring harnesses, and reinstall the door panel with clips properly seated. Access Tesla's service mode via the vehicle's touchscreen or diagnostic scanner. Run the door handle calibration procedure to ensure the microswitch and actuator work correctly together. When the latch assembly is the problem in your 2018 Tesla Model S door handle, the The repair process follows a similar approach to the microswitch replacement. The entire latch assembly needs to be replaced using part number 149386-0A. After accessing the door handle module by removing the panel, disconnect the wiring and unbolt the assembly. You can swap out the faulty latch with the new one. Once the replacement is complete, apply silicone grease to all moving parts of the mechanism. This crucial step ensures smooth operation and helps prevent future failures by protecting against wear and corrosion. Don't skip it for optimal longevity. After replacing the microswitch or latch assembly, the first critical step is to recalibrate the door handle system. Access Tesla's service mode through the vehicle's touchscreen by navigating to the service menu. You'll need your service manual for the exact steps. This calibration process ensures that the handle retracts properly and the auto-present mechanism works correctly. Next, check for any diagnostic trouble codes that may have been triggered during the repair process. Use a compatible diagnostic scanner connected to the vehicle's OBD2 port to scan for codes. Common codes to watch for include door handle fault or similar handle-related errors. If you find any active codes, clear them using the scanner to reset the system's error memory. Finally, perform thorough mechanical verification before reassembling the door panel. Test the handle multiple times to ensure it presents smoothly when unlocked and retracts properly when the door is closed or locked. Verify that the latch engages securely and there are no sticking or binding issues. Only reassemble the door panel once you're confident the repair is complete and the handle operates flawlessly. To prevent future door handle issues on your 2018 Tesla Model S, regular maintenance is key. Start with quarterly inspections to check for wear on components like the microswitch and latch. Lubricate all moving parts with silicone grease to reduce friction and prevent sticking. Also, regularly clean the microswitch area to remove dirt and prevent corrosion from moisture. Looking ahead, Tesla is moving away from mechanical door handles in newer models like the Cybertruck, favoring all-electric actuation. There's a growing trend toward preventive maintenance among owners, with more people opting for DIY guides. Aftermarket innovations such as 3D-printed custom latches offer potential solutions for aging vehicles. Thanks for watching.